Hello friends, I hope you are quite well. Today I have 22 coffee shop web banner ads. These files are in PSD file for Photoshop user in different size. So you can adjust different size your own choice, or you can modify any web design. So let's start. First is 120 by 240 pixels. You can change color, you can adjust your image here, you can change any size. For example, these files drag to Photoshop, and you see here in layer area you can see main background vector files or background coffee tea. You can adjust your own image. For example, I delete this file and open any other file. I have some picture from internet, so I open this file and drag here. I know this file, oh sorry, good, and right click here for create clipping mask. Wow, you can adjust your own image here. I tell you just for example, and like this, enter, write your any title here, or you can increase size. Click on image size, and then you increase the resolution is 300. Okay, all, please wait, image size progresses. And you see here size is increased. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.